Rawat. Now, from today, everyone aged 45 years and above will be able to get the COVID vaccine. So, a big boost expected in the vaccination drive. Earlier, people between the ages of 45 to 60 were required to present a medical certificate about comorbidities in order to get vaccinated. So, it's hoped that now the vaccine drive will pick up. Till now, between 20 to 30 lakh vaccinations were taking place each day. It's hoped that it will now rise to at least 50 lakh. Many experts have said that that is the rate that we need to vaccinate at if we are to vaccinate a sizable proportion of people. So through the day, you've had people over 45 years coming to the vaccine centers in their cities. There you can see Delhi, Lucknow, Jaipur, and in Chandigarh, vaccinations taking place. In fact, several MPs, union ministers and celebrities too have got vaccinated, and this comes in the midst of the second wave of coronavirus in the country, with India reporting over 72,000 cases in the last 24 hours. In fact, interestingly enough, vaccinations will be offered on all days of April, including all holidays, public and private. That is something that was announced by the centre, hoping to really up the rate of vaccinations. There you can see Union Minister Piyush Goyal, Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy and BJP MP Jyotiraditya Scindia and Chetan Bhagat all going in to get their vaccines. Well, let's go across to NDTV's Sam Daniel, who joins us from Chennai. Sam, tell us about, the vaccination drive. Now with it opening up for those above 45, have you seen long lines today?
That's right, Gargi. We come to you from the MGM Healthcare Hospital in Chennai, where patients who are 45 plus are slowly trickling in. We should also make it clear, Tamil Nadu, over the last few weeks, had informally allowed private hospitals to let people with comorbidity who are 45 plus. But now it's official, and I have with me Susan and Sandeep, who have just taken their shots. Thank you very much for your time. How does it feel?
Good, good. Nice to be finally COVID protected.
And did you choose today after the government announcement?
Yes. We were waiting for this. So both of us are above 45. So as soon as we got the opportunity, we said we'll come off.
Right. And how difficult was the last few months, almost a year, in terms of confinement to homes or restrictions?
It was not too bad. It was pretty okay. Only thing is I have my relatives staying in Kerala, so continues to be an issue, because traveling by public flight or train is an issue. So other than that, I think except for that initial lockdown, things have been pretty smooth.
Right. Are you going to celebrate by going out more now?
No, we got 2 kids at home who haven't been vaccinated yet.
Right.
So I think we'll take it easy for a while more till we get the second dose.
Right. And what did you take, Covaxin or Covishield?
Covishield. We were given Covishield today.
Okay.
Yeah.
Was it your choice?
No, it was not. They said it's Covishield. It didn't matter to us.
Right. And what do you think when people across Chennai, Tamil Nadu, going out without mask, without proper precautions?
I think it should be stopped, because you need to protect yourself, and the only thing that people can say is wear it, but you can't force them. But I think it's not right not to do that.
Thank you so much, Sandeep and Susan. And we also have Dr. Srividya. Doctor, thank you very much. Is there more number of people coming in after this announcement by the government?
Yeah, I think a lot of them are waiting for this 45 plus without comorbidities to open up, and I think they will slowly start trickling in. I think this is also coincided with exam times.
Right.
I think that is the reason why we don't have too many 45 plus right now, but we still have a lot of chunk of senior citizens yet to come and take their vaccines also. I'm hoping that post-election things will improve.
The daily numbers across Tamil Nadu has yet again crossed 2,500. And is there a demand now? Are people lining up more in number now?
Yeah, they are. There's definitely a panic. In fact, the demand is more from 45, less than 45, rather than more than 45. And they are like, we have elderly people at home and we want to get protected. But what I have to tell is that it doesn't matter whether you're getting vaccinated or not. Because anything and everything we have to do to break the transmission is, one is vaccination, the other is to continuing using mask and social distancing and use of sanitization. So
thank you so much for your time, Doctor. Certainly it's election time as well in Tamil Nadu, and the government is also urging people to come for vaccination in large numbers to get themselves protected, even as political meetings and campaign spots see a kind of a nightmare situation with large-scale violations as thousands of people gather in single locations in several places across the state. Gargi.
All right, Sam, thanks so much for joining us. They're from a vaccine center in Chennai. And now this report by Uma from Hyderabad, where interestingly enough, many people coming to the vaccine center actually want Covaxin, and there seems to be a shortage of Covaxin.
We are here at the King Koti Hospital in Hyderabad, where in fact big numbers of people are waiting to get vaccinated. Today, of course, first day that people above 45 years of age but without any comorbidity are being allowed to take the jab. But many of these girls, in fact, are very young. Telangana, in fact, has not had a very good record as far as getting injections for the healthcare workers or the frontline workers is concerned. The category of over 60 and those above 45 with comorbidities has been pretty good. This is the people who are have already got their injection and are waiting for observation. Has there been more rush today now that it's been opened up for people above 45 as well?
Yes. More and more people are coming forward, but we urge everybody to come forward voluntarily and take the vaccination, because as we are expecting second wave, so better. And there's a myth that
people having that consciousness that there is a second wave now, and at least now we must take the vaccine.
Yes, they should come. But nowadays people are insisting for Covaxin. But both are one and the same. Okay. It is acute shortage is there for Covaxin. People are coming and asking for Covaxin and going away. But we suggest them to take Covishield also as well, because both are one and the same. So we request everyone to take.
You can see a lot of youngsters, many of them possibly frontline workers and those who are the healthcare category, and that's the reason why all those categories are also now being 3 बजे तक appointment वालों से ले रहे
जनरल पेशेंट पूरे ले रहे हैं मैडम यहाँ पे.
Of course, the director telling us that in order to ensure that the wastage of vaccine remains minimum, they have also said in Telangana that those above after 3 o'clock, even anyone who is below 45 also can come in and take their vaccines. In Hyderabad, with camera person Nagaraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.
And NDTV's Nazir reports from a vaccine center in Srinagar.
Well, I have registered myself for the first dose of COVID vaccine today in this room, and now I am going to receive the first jab here at this hospital called SMHS Hospital in Srinagar. So here it goes like this. So all these months we have been waiting to receive the COVID vaccine. So today the age group above 45, they are receiving their first jab today. So am I. Thank you very much. I didn't feel it. It was so smooth. So now I have to take rest for half an hour here in the hospital, and many people are coming here today to receive the first vaccine.
From today, the age group of 45 and above are coming, and that's why you are eligible for the vaccine jab today. And since morning, you can see a lot of people are turning up for the vaccination, and we have seen the enthusiasm among the population of 45 and above.
We have seen there has been a spike again. This is the second wave in Kashmir. We see more and more cases are coming. Travelers as well. When we see the spike in this COVID, the second wave, you are starting it from the age group of 45. So is it making a difference how people are now coming forward to
Yes, of course, because once now we have a second surge of the COVID disease, it becomes more imperative to get the vaccine. And I request all the people who are now, we have opened the vaccination for all the population above 45 years. So it becomes more important, and request all the population to come and get the vaccine, get vaccinated. And since morning we are seeing good enthusiasm among the family. People are coming up. What we are doing is that we are creating
this awareness in local language. We are going for miking and we are mobilizing ashas, which is very important component.
तो एक दिन में आप 50 लोगों को आप दोगे वैक्सीन. So thank you very much for giving me this vaccine. So I have been able to receive the first jab of COVID vaccine today.